so this has been a long time since I made the my last video, but now I guess it's a good opportunity if you are looking for some trunk or treat theme related with candies and unicorns. You can mix very nice. Usually it's up to you what you want to do or no. So I'm using silicone for this project, and even though it works fast, we have to we just have to hold for a little bit until it dries completely. So I will just keep going like that and trying to do the silicone inside so it doesn't show from the outside. So I will just keep holding this and I'll show you, and I will be back when my lollipop is ready.
This is huge lollipop. So it's for the trunk or treat, and my mom made this, and we will be making two. When I'm planning, we can sell the one, and then because we'll have two, one for us, and we'll sell the other one that you can get, and it'll cost $5. So that will be the end of this video.